First personal foul for 25.
White 21.
First personal foul 11, second team foul for Rice BM.
Score.
0-0 pa rin po. Erie.
Foul.
55.
55.
First personal foul for 55, third team foul for Rice BM.
Double foul 21.
So I have double foul, black 55 and white 21. White 21.
And black 55, it's tag foul, one shot.
One shot.
We have
That's three personal fouls for 55.
And jumbo. And jumbo. And jumbo. Who's the ball?
Who's the arrow?
White.
Third boys. It's my mistake. Third service.
Warning number 55, that's your fourth personal foul.
So meron kayong isang common foul kanina tapos isang technical.
Technical.
Tapos meron pang isang foul kanina. So that's 4.
Balik na.
So he's got a foul over there. And then this one.
No, there's another one. There's another one.
Oh,
right?
4.
It's 4. They have another foul. 4.
Second free throw.
2 for 2. 2-0.
2-0. Number 14, Makahilo. To number 55, lay up and foul. Number 21, yes.
That's third personal foul for 21.
Free throw. First free throw, wala. Second free throw. Number 55. To number 11. Yay! Number 11, Bats. Nagdadala ng bola. Bats pa rin. Bats. Bats. Number 11, wala. Nakuha na number 55. Intercepted by number 5. Number 5. Wow! Nawala yung bola, mataas. Nakuha na naman yung number 5. Number 5. Number 37. And
Graduate.
number 65.
Oh, 65.
First personal foul for 65.
Bonus free throw para kay number 2. Oh! Foul! Number 13. Sub.
First personal foul for number 13, 14th foul.
Number 3. Kingdom. Number 3 pa rin. Papunta kay number 45. Wala. Rebound number 30. Number 26. 26. Punta kay Youngster. Youngster to number 26. 26. 26. Yun, naagal ni number 47. Ay, number 28 pala. Number 28 pala. Rebound. Nakuha ni number 5. Number 5. To number 3. Kingdom. Number 3. Number 3. Papunta ka number 28. To number 5. Yes! 3 points. 3 points.
It's short court violation or no?
No. Okay. Counter foul. Counted. 3 points. Number 15. Five, four. Sino laman?
Rice beam.
Rice BM by 1. 28. 28. 45. To number 5 for 3. Wala. Nakuha ni Kingdom. Kingdom. To 0. To number 3. violation.
Time out, time.
Time out!
Timeout, black.
Ayos. Oras na. Magugulo yung ano nyo ah.
Dive pa nila.
Rice BM, you have one more timeout left for this half. City Sky Thunder, you have 2.
Number 00. 26. Ramsey. Wala. Goal. Tubig, oh. Tubig, tubig. Number 3. Number 3. Number 3, Kingdom. Kingdom. Number 3, 4-2. Wala. Rebound. Nakuha ni Ramsey.
Two points. 2 points.
2 points.
Yeah. 2 points.
Number 26 to number 15. 15. Foul. 0. Ramsey. For 3. Wala. Number 5. Layup. 2 points. Time out. Time out.
Timeout, White. City Sky Thunder, you have one more timeout left for this half. Rice BM, you have one more timeout left for this half.
Back to the bogey. Number 15. 15. Oh, now number 20. 20. 45. Yes, for 2 points. Number 15. 15. Tumira. Pumasok. Number 3. 11-6. Lamang ang Rice PM ng 5. Number 5. To number 0. To number 3. Number 3. Tumira ng 2. Wala. Rebound. Nakuha ng number 7. To Youngster. Youngster. Wala. Foul over the back by number 7. Loose ball foul. White. Oh, white.
First personal foul, number 7. 15 foul for white.
Number 5, tumira ng 3. Wala. Rebound. Napunta kay number 15. Number 15. Number 7. Number 7. Foul. Gamboa, 0. Foul. Number 26.
First personal foul, number 26. 16 foul.
Reset Johnson.
Yes, sir. 24.
Thank you, ref.
The number 3, Kingdom. Oh, nagaw. Number 26 to 0 to 14. 14. Punta kay number 15. Wala. Nakakuha ni number 5. Number 5. Jump ball. Sub. Jump ball.
White ball.
White ball. White ball.
Next possession, Rice BM. Black team.
Number 11, Buds. To number 13. Number 13. Nawala yung bola.
Underground. 11.
Second personal foul for number 11. Warning for penalty.
13. Buds. Number 11. Yes. And 1.
Warning for penalty.
Warning for penalty.
25 first personal foul.
Number 11. Rebound. Number 11. Oh! Backcourt violation.
14. Thank you, ref.
Number 11, Buds pa rin. Buds, lumusot to number 72. 21, oh, shot clock violation. Meron tayong shot clock. Number 14. 55. So number 14 to 55 again. Tumira, wala. Rebound number 14, wala. Number 11, Buds. Tumira na. Oh! Kala ko titira ng 3. Buntik na mga ako. Traveling.
The shot clock, they reset it. No reset. What's the
14. 55. Yes, 2 points. Jeff, number 21. tumira. Yes. Number 11. Number 11. To number 55. Naabot ni number 21. To number 11. 11. 11. Batch. Tumira. Wala. Rebound 31. 31. Number 14. 14. Makahilo for 3. Wala. Number 11. Number 11. Uh, 3 seconds.
Score. 13-10.
13-10. Lamang ang Rice BM ng tatlo. But time. Ano sabi dito? Nawala. 55. Tumira. Wala. Rebound. Dalawa. Ginatamo yan. But number 11. Batch pa rin. To number 21, Jeff pa rin, Jeff. Lumusot. 2 points. Isa na lang lamang ng Rice BM. Number 14, Makahilo. To number 11, to Jeff. To number 11, Batch pa rin. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Rebound number. On the ground. Time out. Right here.
Time out right here.
What? So that's the other.
Oh, that's good.
There's no foul.
Who's foul?
55.
Number 55.
Number 55, that's your 5th personal foul. Graduate.
Hindi nila alam.
Number 55.
Number 55, that's your 5th personal foul. It's a foul.
And
Penalty, ref. Penalty.
Penalty na rin. Who's foul, ref? Is it foul?
55, yeah.
Yeah, it's foul. Number 55, that's your 5th personal foul. Penalty.
wait, ref. 55 po muna po kayo, kuya.
Ano? Foul?
It's foul.
It's foul.
Tinawagan ko ng technical, eh.
Oo.
Well, 13. Number 14. Number 38. Number 65. Wala. Rebound number 25. 25. Tapal. Number 11. Number 11. Tumira. Wala. Rebound number 47. Nakuha ni Jeff. Dumiretso. Tapos. Rebound ni number 13. Number 13. To Jeff ulit. Oh, nakuha ni number 11, layup! Number 11. White ball.
First up? Oh. 12-13. 12-13. Oh. 12-13 is the score. Sorry? They must be very good in defense. The score is 12-13. And it's
12-13 is the score.
Oh, yeah.
Hindi lima na nga. Graduate na nga. Ano na? Oo. Hindi niya na.
Lalo ay sakit. Pagka-pulad dyan. Sakit pulad dyan.
Black ball.
Thank you, thank you.
Black ball, guys. Rice PM.
Rice PM ball. Rice PM ball. Pares na cell block.
Kayo po yung kumuha ng jump ball kanina.
Number 11. Number 11.
Next possession, sea to sky.
Wala. Rebound. 14. To number 11. Bats. Bats. Bats pa rin. Bats. To number 5. Number 5. To number 11. Number 11. To number 5. Number 5. To Mira. Wala. Number 4. Good, good, good. 28 to number 11. Oh, tapos. Rebound number 21. To Buds. 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 To number 7. Wala. Not one number 3. Kingdom. To number 28. 28. 28. Dumiretso. Oh, foul number 14. Two free throws para kay number.
First personal foul, number 14. First team foul for sea to sky Thunder.
2 shots for number 28.
Wala. Oh, number 14. To Jeff, number 21. 21. 21. Numeration. Number 11. Number 11. Number 11. Wala. Rebound number 21. Number 5. Number 5. To Vance. Vance, number 11. Number 11. To Mira. Foul number 45. Two free throws para kay number 11.
13
First
shots.
personal foul for 45.
12-13 pa rin ang
First team
score.
foul for
Mahigpit na ang
Rice
laban.
PM.
Free throws pumasok. Tagaw tayo. 13 all. Number 11, Buds. Pumasok. Mr. Alan, Mr. Alan. Mr. Alan Bulos. Alan. Alan. Wala na nakuha ni number 14. But, number 11. Foul.
Bakit siya alam? Yung uniform, di pa nakinukuha eh.
Mr. Alan Bulos.
First personal foul for number 3.
Yung uniform, pakikuha na. Baka makalimutan ulit.
Second
Alan.
foul for Rice BM.
Alan!
Alan. Okay. See, thank you. Number 14 to number 5. Wala. Unakuha ni Kingdom. Number 11. That's number 11. To number 21. Jeff. Naagaw ni Kingdom. 28. Jeff! Lumampas. Nakakuha ni number 11. Number 11. That's to number 5. To number 7. Number 7. Power play! Number 3, Kingdom. To number 45, wala. Rebound, nakuha ni Jeff. To number 11, Buds. Tapik ni Kingdom. Buds pa rin. Buds to Jeff. Number 21. Jeff. Punta ka number 5. Number 5. Tumira. Wala. Rebound number 14. Yes, super. Come on. SPM. SPM, dalawa pa time out nyo. Si Tuskay, tatlo. Tatlo pa time out nyo. This score 18-13. Naman ng 5 si Tuskay. Back to the ball game. Kingdom number 3. Nagdi-dribble ng bola. Number 11. Foul number 0.
Second personal foul for number 0. 13 foul for Rice BM.
That's number 11. Number 11 to number 5. Naabang nga lang ni number 11. Kalindas. Kingdom! Wala! Ibang number 11. Yes, 2 points. 18-17. $18-15. 3.3 para sa Jeff for 3. Kapos. Nakakuha ni number 11. Number 11. Oh, nakakuha. Last 11.
First personal foul for number 11, Subs.
All five, Cito Sky. Kailangan palitan lahat. All five. Okay na? Okay. Sige. Number 26, Edward. To Youngster. To Edward. Number 26, 4-3. Wala. Rebound, number 5. Number 5. 11. Wala. Nakuha ni number 5. Jump ball.
White ball.
White ball. Next possession, red. Number 47. Number 15.
Paano gagawin ni George doon? Gawin si George.
Conference for number 14. Time out.
Time out. Rice beer? Who's time out? White?
Time out, White.
Ano ang sinasabi mo kanina?
Si George nagkikipag-ano sa bench ng Rice Bean ay sa City Sky.
Tumawid pa sa dito sa half court.
Hindi po.
Ay, meron.
Hindi kasi nag-escalate ng lumapit na yung dalawang player ng Rice Bean ay ng City Sky.
Zero. Youngster. To number 26. To number 13. Number 13. Tumira. To throw. Number 14. Traveling. Number 13, wala. Rebound number 5. Makahilo. Wala. Sapat. Gold. Number 10, Youngster. To number 47. Wala. To number 65. To number 11. Number 11. Alvin! 21-20.
First personal foul for 0, second team foul for Cito Sky Thunder. One shot for number 11.
Number 11. Wala. Nakuha ni number 26. To number 15. To number 26. 4-3. Wala. Nakuha ni number 5. Number 5. To number 14. Malakas. Out. 21. 20.
10 minutes, 30 seconds.
Youngster. To number 26, Edward. To number 47, Tumira. Wala. Nakuha ni number 11. Number 0.
Second personal foul for 0, 13 foul for Cito Sky Thunder, 2 shots for number 11.
Wala. Number 25, tumira. Wala. Rebound nakuha ni number 26. Number 15. Number 26.
Dalawa pa po.
Dalawa pa.
O, time out daw.
Timeout, Rice BM. Rice BM, you have one more timeout
Basta
time.
momentum sila tapos
Tatay mo.
squeeze it mali.
Back to the ball game.
Championship dito, bukas.
Hindi sa
Pressure?
pressure middle school. Pressure middle school na.
Ang championship? Bukas. Akala ko dito.
Number 65. 65. Oh, nakagaw. Nakagaw.
White.
Thirty-six. To number 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. Nawala yung bola. Number 14. Number 11. Talintas. Talintas. Number 14. Nakahilo.
Jambol.
Oh, Jumbo.
Red, black ball.
Black ball, black ball. Black ball.
Black ball.
Next possession.
Next possession, White.
Foul number 27.
First personal foul for 47, 14 foul for Cito Sky Thunder.
Last possession.
Tapos, nako number 11. Oh, tapal. Number 14. 3 seconds.
Sub!
Sub, sub, sub.
Number 11 po ng Rice BM, kailangan pong umupo.
Number 11, West PM. Kailangan mo po. Balik ka na lang pag 5 minutes na.
Number 11, kailangan po muna umupo. All 5 ang change ng Cito Sky Thunder.
Thank you, thank you. Jeff, kinabawang dyan ni number 38. Jeff pa rin. Jeff. Jeff. To number. Oh, para. Oh, wala pa rin. Number 35. Kaparin 35. Number 3. To Kingdom, number 3. Seconds, shot clock violation. Number 11, Bats. Number 11 for 3. Wala. Nakuha ni number 5. Number 5, tumira. Wala pa rin. Sub.
Best five.
Best five.
Sub.
Best five.
Best five.
Ay, di makalakad yung pakitulungan. Best five. Rebound, Jeff. Foul.
Who's foul, ref?
What's foul, ref?
28.
Number 5. To number 21. Number 5. Woo! Corona. Number 7. Yeah, good hit.
All, 22. 22 all.
22 all. Tabla tayo. Number 28. Number 28 to number 11. Talindas, tumira ng dos. Wala. Nakuha ni. Whoa! Wala na mga nakaputi. Stop. Number 5 to number 21, Jeff pa rin. Jeff to number 11, Bats. 11, wala. Nakuha ni number 0, Kingdom to Galindas. Wala. Rebound pa rin na. Wala. Nakuha ni Kingdom. Galindas. Wala pa rin. Naku. Number 7. Foul.
Foul.
16 foul pala.
Third personal foul for 0.
Number 11. Number 3, Kingdom. 22 all. Makahilo for 3. Wala. Nakuha ni number 7. Number 7. To number 5. Tumira Kapos. Number 14. Makahilo. Short jumper. Wala. Short na rin. Oh! Five.
First personal foul, number 5.
Time out.
Sky Tucker.
nabigay na. Sorry.
Bigay, wait lang.
Rebound number 14. Number 3. Number 11. Oh! Time out! Tito Sky.
White 14.
Time out.
Time out.
Time out white.
Yes, ma'am.
Both teams have one more timeout left. Back to the ball game. Number 11 shooting for 2.
Two points lead para sa Rice BF. Jeff. Julian, number 13. Number 13. Number 13. 5 seconds!
Oh, guys.
It's right. Whoa, right.
Number 11, Kalindas pa rin. Kalindas. King down. White ball. Number 11, back to number 5. To number 47. Foul. Number 28.
Warning for
Penalty. Number 21, Jeff. To number 5. To number 11. To number 5. Second shot clock violation. Number 28 to number 11, Kalindas. Makahilo! Yes! Number 11. Stop. Timeout.
Sub.
Sub. Oh,
timeout white.
White.
See the sky thunder, that's your last timeout. See the sky thunder.
Tito Sky, that's your last timeout.
Read it.
I did.
Those are my products. Yeah. I'm a licensed insurance broker.
That's what you do. That's your 9 to 5.
Huh? No. No. That's what's this basketball for.
Yung oras na. Hindi, may hintay.
Wala, nung mabalik. Thank you, ah.
57 seconds.
57 seconds.
57 seconds.
Foul.
Warning for penalty. Second personal foul.
Wala pa, warning for penalty.
Warning for penalty.
Warning for penalty. Foul. Penalty. Penalty.
Third personal foul, 2 shots.
Rebound number 24. 11. 13. Foul number 7.
Pag-dimiretso niya.
Second personal foul, number 7. Penalty.
Foul na lang. Oh.
Siguraduhin dapat.
Sinigurado na lang yung tutok. Tagal pa eh.
Kingdom. Wala. Second free throw.
45 seconds.
45 seconds. Pumasok. 22-27. Yes. To number 5. Number 5. To number 37. 37. To derecho. Wala. Rebound number 7. Foul. Tapos. Three-point steal para sa Rice PM. Pumasok. 24-28.
Right there, no more timeout.
Wala na kayong timeout.
Wala nang time out. Pagkatapos niya, wala na.
Wala na.
Both team, wala ng timeout.
Kung sinigurado niya kanina, dadalo lang ano.
Oo.
Lamang.
Kung nilusok pa niya yun, baka maka-counter five pa. Ha?
Out of bounds, guys.
Biyak daw, biyak.
11. Foul 47.
Third personal foul, 47. Penalty.
Penalty. Seconds. Second free throw. 20-24. Thirty-seven. To number 21. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Nakuha ni number 4. Thank you. Congratulations, Lyceum.
My friend.